Good afternoon, class. So at this point we're looking at equations, correct? You guys had some homework, it was exercise 2. Alright, so let's go through the answers quickly. Right, exercise 2 and exercise 2 is on page 98. Right, what's the first answer there? Negative 12, correct. Number 2? Negative 8, correct. Number 3? Negative 7. You want to agree with that? No. Negative 3? No. Negative 3? That is negative. No. So how? If you look at number 3, you got negative 4x minus equals negative 3. How is negative 4 and x bonded? Multiplication. So what is the reciprocal, what is the reverse of multiplication? Division. So I divide whatever the coefficient is here. In this case it's 4. Negative 4. So that cancels. Negative divided by negative is positive 3 over. Not over to x, no? You look at number 4. X over 3 is equal to 4. How is x and 3 bonded? Division. So what must I do? Multiply. Must multiply both sides by 3. So that's going to cancel. dv with x equal to 12. What's your answer to the next one, Michael? The one at the back. Yes? Huh? No, behind Mika. Yes? X equal to 3. Is she correct? Yes. Who did not get 3? Right. What did you get, Michael? Okay, tell me, what did you write? Yes. You're the only one who got a different answer.
2x plus 7 minus 2x.
Say again?
2x plus 7 minus 2x is equal to 13.
So you said 2x plus 7 minus 2x equal to 30. Is that what you wrote? But you have minus 2x on the side, not so. So you have to minus it on that side as well. Not so? But I showed you a short method yesterday. What did we do? We took x is one side, numbers the other side. So what am I supposed to write now, Michael? 2x, yes? And what is 13 minus 7? 6. How do I get x on its own? Must divide by 2, yes. So that cancels. So therefore, x equal to what? 6 divided by 2? 3. Number 6. Mika, what's your answer to number 6? Sorry? 5x? No. So what's the first thing we need to do, Michael? X is one side. Numbers the other side. So you see we need to bring this x over the equal sign. number on that side. Okay, so go for it. What do I write? 5x. Huh? This is positive x, I'm bringing over, becomes minus x is equal to, you're taking negative 24 over. If I take negative over the equal sign, it becomes, yes. So what is 5x minus x? 5x minus 1x, 4x's equals 24. How do I get x on its own? Divide by 4. You want to get x on its own, so you divide by 4 both sides. That's gone. What's 24 divided by 4? 6. Who got that right? Lam, what did you write? Huh? Now what did you write? Let me understand where you went wrong. Sorry? You just wrote an X. With you? Wait. So you're at 6. But you're supposed to be taking that over the equal sign. And then that side. You took that over the equal sign, so that this plus must become minus. There's your mistake there. This one here is number 8. See, that must go on that side. You have to keep this. You see, you take 2x over. You must keep it on that side. The x is one side, number is the other side. Can you see that? There's 3x minus 2x is equal to 7 plus 5. You can simplify that. Because here, x's must come over. So it's 6x minus x is equal to minus 6 minus 3. X is one side, number is the other side. So 2x minus 6x is equal to 17. So you then plus 3 over become, minus 3 over becomes plus 3. So you add it like that. Took that over, that is right, that is right. You took that over, that's nice. You see this you kept there? So that's supposed to have stayed negative. So negative 2x becomes 2x. Remember that is staying there. You're bringing minus 7 over becomes plus 7. Understand? Took that over. You see this is negative 4 here. So you divide both sides by negative 4. X's. But how many times was negative divided by negative? What's 8 divided by 4? Fix while I'm walking. Okay. It's number 6. Look at number 7. X over 3 plus 4 equals 5. Monica? Yes, what's your answer? 3. How did you get 3? What's your first step you wrote here after? X over 3? Huh? Yeah? Yeah? So you minus, yes? So that cancel. So that x over 3 is equal to 1. Now what did you do? No, you're right. How is x and 3 bonded? Division, so I must multiply both sides by 3. That cancel. So x equal to 1 times 3? 3.
Oh, okay. I thought
told you not wrong. Number 8. 3x minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 7. So what's the first thing we need to do? What's the first thing that we need to do? X is one side, numbers the other side. Not so. So we're going to keep this the 3x on the left hand side and the negative 2x. However, we're going to take the negative 5 over. So it's going to be 7. We take negative 5 over, it becomes positive 5. You see that 7 is staying on the right hand side. That 7 stays positive. What is 3x minus 2x? X. What is 7 plus 5? 12. Yes.
So when you go to the left hand side, is it how to do subtraction? Then the right hand side is
Yeah.
addition.
So if you're taking a negative over the equal sign, it becomes positive. You take a positive over the equal sign, it becomes negative. Right, let's look at number 9. We've got 6x plus 3 minus 7 is equal to x minus 6. Layla, what's your answer? 2. Who has an answer of 2? What did you get, Michael? No, you found it. Negative 2, right? Let's hear from you. What did you do?
6x minus 8.
Yes? So what you did was, you brought this over. Yes, carry on. You're absolutely correct. Okay, carry on.
5x
Negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9. Plus 7 is negative 2. She's correct.
5x
Divide by 5 both sides, yes? So x is equal to negative 2 over 5. How did you get 2? Okay? The other side by 5. Remember, whatever you do on the left hand side must do on the right hand side in terms of division multiplication. How did you get 2 at the back, Laila? So you got negative 6 minus 3 plus 7, but you're a positive 2. So you got 5x is equal to 2. That's what you got. So how do we get x on its own? You divide by 5. But you didn't divide the other side by 5. No. Remember, when you're dividing the one side, you must divide the other side as well. Okay. Nayasha, what's your answer? To number 10? You will now going to ask me. Huh? Negative 5. Who got negative 5? You copied well. Okay, so is he from the Asha then? Yes? We bring the x's one side, numbers the other side. So go for it.
So which way? Which way are we doing?
This way. The short way. You don't have to do the short way. Right, learn it now one time. So I'm going to write 2x. This is a positive. You're taking it over the equal sign must become negative. So it's 2x minus 6x is equal to? Give her a chance.
2x minus
6x, yes, is equal to negative 4, yes, x. But what's going to go on the right hand side? 17, yes. We're taking negative 3 over the equal sign. What's going to happen if you take the negative over an equal sign, my girl? Must become positive, yes. So it's going to be 17. 17. Okay, do it your way, Nayasha. Let me see what is going on with you. Come, go for it.
Okay, so.
Yes?
So 2x minus 3 plus 3 negative 6x equals 6x plus 6 minus 6x
So it's minus 6x, yes?
plus 3.
So that in the red was the sum. You want to eliminate the 3, add the 3 both sides, so that will cancel. You eliminate the 6x here, and add 6x on, subtract 6x. So what do you have? You have 2x minus 6x equals 17 plus 3. That's what you got now, no? Which is what is 2x minus 6x?
Negative 4x
Yeah, equals.
equals 20.
So how do we get x on its own?
Negative x over 4 over negative 4.
Negative 4, yes?
And then x equals negative 5.
Negative, it's correct. Now, if you just take that into account, no? Just show you something. And you know, look at the method that I showed you at the end of the lesson yesterday. Okay? What I did was, x is one side, numbers are the other side. So you see, I'm taking the the 6x belongs on that side, not so? And the negative 3 belongs on that side. Okay? So this 6 is positive, so when I bring it over, it becomes negative 6x. Can you see that? The 17 is staying there, and I bring the negative 3 over, becomes positive 3. So now you see this step here, the same as this step here. Is that not the same? Huh? With less confusion? With less terms being written down? Not so? So, we add the like terms, gives us 4x. Negative 4x equal to 20, divided by negative 4 both sides. Exactly the same. Just quicker. But try and adopt that with, listen, the sum is still going to get a bit bigger and bigger and bigger. So we can't be doing what we are doing here all the time. You're going to work for now, yes, but come to grade 9, you must learn the method anyway. You understand? Look at number 11. Miss Ori, what's your answer to number 11? Huh? 2 over 3. Who got 2 over 3? Okay, let's hear from you, Michael. What did you write? Two x, you wrote negative x plus 5 minus 5 is? Yeah? Yes? That cancel? That cancels. So you got negative x minus 2x is equal to 7 minus 5. Is that what you must have at this point? Correct? How do you get 5x? What is minus x minus 2x? What number is in front of x here? What number is in front of this x? So 1. You sure it's 3? Where's your number line? Check on your number line. What's minus 1x minus 2x? Negative 3x. What is 7 minus 5? 2. So how do I get x on its own? How do we get x on its own? Divided by negative 3. Not so? It cancels. So x is equal to positive divided by negative is negative 2/3. Okay? Then I could have cut this step out here by simply saying x is on one side, numbers the other side. So it's minus x, positive 2x becomes minus 2x is equal to, that 7 is staying there, so it remains positive, plus 5 becomes minus 5. Minus 3x, or minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay? Let's look at number 12. Maya, what's your answer to number 12? X equal to 0. Is she right? Right. You're not right, my God. But tell me, what did you write?
Negative 2x minus 3x minus 10 equals to 10 minus 10.
So you said negative 2x minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 10 minus 10. Yes?
And then I said negative 5x
Yes.
minus
That is negative 5x is minus.
10
Yes is equal to.
equals to 0.
Nice. Yes.
And then I said negative 15x.
Can she add this? Unlike that. That's your mistake. It's your first mistake you made. Okay. People, what is the first rule we must do? Write the rule down again. The first thing we must do is we must get the x's on the left hand side. Write it down. So that's not what you people are doing. The first step is to get all the x's on the left hand. Right? Yeah, but you're not following it. But are you following it? That's a problem. You all have number lines. Nobody's using it. You all wrote the rule down yesterday. Most of you are messing it up. We need to get all the x's on the left hand side and the constants on the right hand side. That's the first thing we need to do. So, is the x's on the left hand side here? Yes. Is all the constant on the right hand side? Yes. So now we just need to simplify. Now in the next step. Then simplify. So let's simplify. What is minus 2x minus 3x? Minus 5x is equal to 10. Now what? Now the next step is to divide by the coefficient of x. Now divide by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x here? Negative 5. So I divide. Remember that the sign is part of the term. Negative 5. So what's negative divided by negative? Positive. 5 divided by 5?
X.
So I just left with 1x. What's positive divided by negative?
Negative.
Negative. 10 divided by 5? 2. Answer is negative. Okay. Okay, number 13. Farah, what's your answer? Negative 2. Who got negative 2? Right, let's hear from you behind Zara. Yes? And you got positive 2. Okay, no problem. Let's hear from you.
4x
4x, yes?
plus 6
Yes?
plus 6x minus 7
Yeah?
equals 5.
Bring me your book, let me see. Stay on that side. If you come to the table, you stay on that side. Number 13. So you subtracted 7, which makes that right. Then you got 5x, which you changed to a 50. You see it? You can't change the 5x to a 50x. That's your mistake there. This one here, you broke. That is right. You broke, that is right. That's 6x. You see here, you broke that 12, and that's a plus 12. It's plus 12. You see it's 3x here. And here you got 30x. How does 3 become 50? This step is right. That one is right. You see here, what is negative 5x plus 4x? Or negative 5 plus 4? Now why do you have positive one here? Okay. Farah, let's hear from you. X plus 6x, yes? Okay, she wrote that over, becomes plus 5x. Yes? See, negative 23 stayed there. Plus 27 goes to minus 7. Carry on. 4x plus 6x plus 9x, 5x is 15x. Okay, it's equal to negative 13. Both sides over 15, you want x on its own. So x equal to? Okay. 14. Okay. Behind Farah? 8 over 3. That's correct. Yes, carry on. What did you do? You got that side? That side is? So 3x is equal to? 3x plus 3x is equal to? 4 plus 2. 3x plus 3x is 6x, yes? 16, yes? When x answer divided by 6 both sides, yes? X is equal to? 8 over 5. 2 goes into 16 8 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times, it's 8 over. Nice. Number 15, behind her. Right, 5 of 12 is correct. So do the sum.
10x plus 7
Just do it the new way, please. So it's going to be 10x plus 2x, yes, is equal to 12 minus 7. So what is 10x plus 2x? 12x is equal to? You one of the people I just said now, you have a number line but not using it. Okay? Don't use your head. Use the number line. Okay, next. Nyasha, Sfreen. In front of her. 8. 8 to negative 8. You got 8, right? So tell me, how did you get the wrong answer? The answer is negative 8, isn't it? No, is it 8? Yes, so I'm wrong. Right, go for it. The short method, no? Negative 5x.
plus 4x.
Yes.
Then 6 plus 2.
Yeah.
Then 8
Negative 5x.
minus 4.
So negative 5x.
Plus 4x.
Yes, is what?
1. X.
Where is your number line? Where is your number line? Where is it?
It's not in the...
You see your number lines and over your ruler.
No, sir, I make them up.
You are mixing them up because you're not using a number line.
Yes, sir.
Because if you had gone on your number line and you said minus 5 plus 4, you'll get negative 1. Listen. Yeah. Listen. I've been dealing with you type of people, your age. Listen, I know parents phoning me. I mean to say your kind of girls, no? Grade 8s, that's what I'm trying to say. Since 2005, so I've been working with your type of learner before you were thought of. No? Before the mommy just said, okay, yes, you're going to have a baby now and whatever. Before that, I've been working with grade 8 learners. And from that time, I'm telling them already, use a number 9. Use a number 9. And you people are exactly the same. The problem is, I'm telling you people don't listen. So what's the problem? Am I the problem? Huh? You must start using a number line. What is 6 plus 2? 8. So, Did they ask you to solve negative 8 or they ask you to, negative x or they ask you to solve x? X. So you need that x to be positive. So I divide both sides by negative 1. So that will cancel. So x is equal to what's positive divided by negative? 8 divided by 1. So I was right. X is equal to minus. Not an O, it's an X. Okay, listen. Listen. So I'm not going to do the new section of work today. Because there's something wrong with you guys. What? You're trying to you understand only now. Now whose fault is that now? Your fault. Okay, listen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few sums out of a different textbook. Here are 7 sums, okay? So I'm going to give you a chance to answer them now. Just put the extension of, or more, just write more examples on equations, okay? There are 7 sums. I'm going to pause the video at this point, and then I'm going to call you row by row as I normally did, okay? So I'll give you a couple of minutes to sort it out. I'll start calling you up row by row, okay? So I'll pause the video at this point. Okay, just getting part of the homework here. So it was to 7. .7, so it's 2.10. Okay, there's now of course an overlap, and then on top was our worksheet 2E 1.7. Actually the came before that. Okay, so that's part of the homework for the next lesson. Okay.